Oh man. Let's make some Argentinian empanadas. Come on, let's get started.
Todo queda sabroso.
Okay, so inside this bowl, I have 3 cups of flour. To that, I'm going to add ½ teaspoon of salt. Just going to mix that around so that the salt is incorporated. Now to that, we're going to add 3/4 cup of warm milk, 1 egg, and 4 ounces of melted butter. And then we're going to give that a mix until it comes together in a ball. Okay, we're going to take some flour, take our dough, a little flour on top, and then we're just going to knead it for about 5 minutes until it becomes a nice smooth ball. Okay, now I'm going to wrap it in plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. One of the fillings for the empanada will be fugazetta. Fugazetta is an Argentinian stuffed pizza, and onions are a traditional part of fugazetta, which must be thinly sliced. We're also going to be making a chicken empanada, so I season and cook some boneless and skinless chicken thighs, which will combine with some other ingredients to make up the filling. Last but not least, we're making a chimichurri sauce, which is a traditional Argentinian condiment and goes great with these empanadas. Okay, so here we have the dough that has been resting for about 20 minutes. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to roll it out into a log. Then I'm going to cut this into 12 equal pieces. Now I'm going to take a tortilla press, one of our dough balls, and we're going to press. Just like that. Okay, so now we're going to fill our empanadas. First, we're going to do the fugazetta. I'm going to take a slice of provolone. I lightly saute the onions in a little bit of olive oil. So we're going to put some onions right down the middle of that empanada. And then we're going to top that off with some mozzarella cheese. I'm going to close it up. We're also going to take one and we're going to fill this with chicken. Here I have some diced chicken with onions and peppers and garlic and olives. And I have some cubed up cheese. Here I'm using queso blanco, but you can use mozzarella or any other cheese you want. And again, we're going to close this up, making sure everything fits. And again, we're going to do that fluted design. Place the empanadas on a sheet tray and brush with an egg wash. Since I forgot to add it to the fugazetta filling, I'm adding dried oregano on top. Let's crack into this fugazetta. Oh man. Can y'all see that? Let me just get some of that chimichurri right on top. That's that chicken. You gotta make this.